G'day guys, you're back with MiracleMAX. If you were looking for a video on how to replace a cabin filter on a Mazda 6 2016 model with that 2.5 litre engine in it, then you've chosen the right video. That's what we're doing today. So let's hook into it. Not a difficult one to do, guys. It's in behind the glove box. We lower our glove box carefully, and we may have a dampener on the side there that we need to address, as you can see. In this particular case, it looks like you just fling him out like that. Then we need to push in here as well as over here and lower that glove box down. You may have to have a few shots at it to get it to come down like that. You don't want to lose all your customers' goodies, so lower that glove box carefully. Or in turn, you could just sit it on a box on the ground so that it just sits down at a nice angle, and you've still got access to your cabin filter panel right there. But for filming purposes, I've just lowered it and carefully put it onto the ground. It's fairly simple to do. Lift up this little tab here, pull it forward towards you, and there you have your cabin filter. It's not too bad on this particular one, but it should be done anyway. Let's have a closer look at it and examine it carefully. All right, now that I do look at it a little closer, it does have a lot of greeblies in there, so it does need to be replaced. So I will do the right thing by the customer and replace it for them. Today I'm going to be fitting a RYYZN cabin filter. The part number there, as you can see, is a RCA 275M. Now this is called a, what's that, a micro shield? Sounds very impressive, and it promises, what's that, antiviral, antibacterial. Wow, perhaps I should wear one of these instead of wearing a mask. Maybe not. All right, let's pop it in. And as always, we have to make sure that our little airflow arrow is facing down. Well, in this particular case, it faces down because our fan motor is down the bottom here and it draws it through. Let's slide him into place and hear that lovely click. Just like that. Nice. Okay, let's put the glove box back in. To put our glove box back in, we simply hook into those little lugs there and over there with the hinges on the glove box. And we just slide him into that place, and we slide him into that place like that, and then we can close it. Once that's done, we can just slide our glove box into place like that. But one important thing not to forget is this little dampener on the side here that has a hook, as you can see, that goes onto, just push him in a little bit, Max, come on, like that. Now it's ready to be closed, just like that. As you know, I'm a great believer in cleaning the floor mat after you have replaced the cabin filter, but this customer's car is absolutely immaculate. I can't put it any other way. I have dropped nothing from the cabin filter itself, so there's absolutely no need to clean the floor mat. It is absolutely perfect. There we go, cabin filter done and dusted on a Mazda 6 2016 model with a 2.5 litre engine in it. Hey guys, I hope this video helped you, and if it did and you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and feel free to comment down below. Don't forget about that notification bell. You don't want to miss any future videos. So until next time guys, I've got to finish this service off now. This is MiracleMAX signing off. I will catch you later.